The 5 ways a narcissist manipulates you using cognitive empathy. This is the ability of a narcissist to see things from your point of view and then act in a way that will benefit them the most. Lawyers, salespersons, and even interrogators often use on people. Cognitive empathy is also a type of empathy, but this time, it is not like the general empathy that people are familiar with. It is generally a belief that narcissists lack empathy. Well, that is not entirely true because we look at empathy from just one perspective, which is their lack of compassion, remorse, and regret. Now, a person can understand what another person feels, thinks, and experiences without feeling the human emotions that go along with it, and that is exactly what the narcissist does. That is the reason why this concept of empathy is hazardous, because the victim might think that their behavior is unintentional, but in reality, it is entirely intentional. As usual, if you enjoy watching our video, please help by clicking that like button below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any interesting updates in the future. Number 1. They study your emotions and thoughts. The very first thing the narcissist does is to try and come closer to you, and the only way he can do this is by studying your emotions and thoughts. They learn to know everything there is to know about you. By doing this, they learn your weaknesses and your strengths, which they can then manipulate into producing an outcome that is most beneficial to them. Number 2. Connection. When the narcissist has taken time to study and know you, the next thing they do is to create a relationship with you so that it seems that you guys connect. They use cognitive empathy to make you feel that the connection you feel between you two is real. And from there, they begin to bring up their authentic self slowly. But the secure relationship between you blinds you because you feel their actions are unintentional. Number 3. Learned helplessness. There is another way the narcissist manipulates you using cognitive empathy. In the method, after creating a connection, he begins to carry out his all-calculated plans, which are all geared in pulling you to a corner where you become helpless. And they make you feel that you cannot live without them. This state of learned helplessness is what leads to depression. So in other words, for you to stay safe from depression, you are stuck with them. Number 4. Capitalization on your emotions. The narcissist sees your feelings as weaknesses. Emotions such as love, openness, kindness, and generosity are seen as weaknesses, and they are capitalized on by the narcissist. He pretends to be victimized so that you can do anything to make him happy, and then he can make you do things in which you never do ordinarily, but you would do because of the emotions you feel for them. And number 5, they make you believe their actions are unintentional. The narcissist takes time to study your life and then uses cognitive empathy to manipulating you into producing an outcome that will be beneficial to them alone. That is why you will likely find yourself bouncing back and forth many times, wondering, do they love me or hate me? With such thoughts, it's a lot easier to accept that this is not intentional and that they are not in control of their emotions and actions. But these actions are calculated. So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.